thunderstorm in serious skies.
Hey, yo!
Look, I hear that light. Whoa! You hear that? That was lightning. Shoot, guys, it's a storm. That lightning. Well, I got a bath. That's a bad way. This is Roberto's Zayton.
No, you're not supposed to record me.
Oh, sorry. Oh, shoot. Look at that yellow stuff. I don't know. Probably when the rain's going to stop. I know this is dark. Look at that dark. Look at those wall clouds. That's crazy. If you see this, stay inside. Because I know I can tell these are bump clouds. Whatever those bumper clouds are. In the spring. What the heck was that? See lightning. Y'all didn't even see it, but I saw it in my eyes. You have to look closely. Because this storm is not playing. Shoot, also. Whatever you are. Oh!
Yes, but I'm not buying anything for you today, okay?
That's okay. I just want to go look.
Okay, once I find the towels, I'll come to the toy section. Are you ready to go?
Mom!
No.
No, you don't understand. This slingshot is really rare and it's only one stock.
I told you, I'm not buying anything.
Please, Mom! I'll do anything that you buy this for me. I won't get another toy for a long time.
No, put it back and let's go home. Mom, can you help me with this crossword? The clue is overworked mailman.
Shoot.
How many letters?
Jesus.
Look who we got today, Dad.
You saw that?
Well, this is your responsibility, and I'm not helping you out. That means you gotta take it for walks.
What the?
You gotta feed it food and water, and I'm not buying it. And when we go away for a couple days, you're the one that's gonna be finding a place for it to stay, okay?
Oh, shoot.
You know what? Here's a $20 bill. Hello? Guess what? I just need $20 for
What the? There's more rain back there. This is bad, guys. Oh. Oh, shoot. This storm just got terrible. Oh, shoot. Let's watch together. This can. It's just shoot.
And now there's a random unicorn. You know what? It's time for bed. Yeah. Well, it's nice talking to you.
I wanted to join this video. Guys. Oh! You saw that? Savion! I saw the cool lightning. It was like... That was crazy. I even missed it on it. Because I was excited. I killed... Oh, shoot.
It's a long way. Are you sure you see it? Yes, Mom. I see it.